Hello everyone. Our second experiment topic is classes and objects. In Java, a class is a blueprint or template that defines the structure and behavior of objects. It contains variables to store data and methods to perform actions. A class itself does not occupy memory until an object is created. So, an object is an instance of a class. It represents a real world entity. When we create an object, memory is allocated for its variables, and we can access the classes methods using that object. Classes and objects help in achieving object-oriented programming concepts like encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. There is example code which we did in lab. So the code is this the one in display. So the first line is user public class rectangle defines a public class named rectangle. All the data members and methods related to a rectangle and encloses within this class. Following object-oriented encapsulation. Private float length declares two private data members. They store the dimensions of the rectangle. M- Mark it private so they can be accessed directly from outside the class, ensuring data hiding. Then public rectangle. This is the default constructor. It automatically initializes length and breadth to 1.0f when no value were provided during object creation. When this keyword refers to the current object instance. Inside the default constructor, this length is equals to 1.0 float. This breadth is equals to 1.0 float. It will assign the both variables to 1.0 default rectangle size. This is uh, parameterized constructor. It allows the user to create a rectangle with specific length and breadth values. Uh, the next rectangle, we give the values for the rectangles and this one. Then the output will be, let me run. Then in output first rectangle, default constructor. In default constructor, it take 1.0 as the default value. So 1.0 as length, 1.0 as depth, 1.0 area. Then the perimeter will be 4.0. Then rectangle 2, there is a random variables. So the length is 5.5, breadth is 3.2, area is 17.6, and perimeter is 17.4. That's it.